Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all doing well. Alhamdulillah, we are fine too. This morning I saw a beautiful butterfly while doing morning walk. So I captured this moment because as you know, I love nature. So whenever I get the chance to see something beautiful, I would like to capture it for you. Also look at these beautiful flowers while grasping the sunlight. Hakim, do you like nature?
Yes, my favorite part about nature is the sky. It goes as far as the eye can see.
Oh, that's good. After I came back from my morning walk, I had tea with some boiled eggs. They fueled me so that I could get started on my morning chores. After that, I had to go to the post office to send some mail. Post office is pretty close from my home, so I walked there. You can see today everything is looking deserted. Not many people are around. Most likely it's a summertime, people are on vacation. There are different services post office offer like military mail, money orders, passport, paying for merchandise, PC postage, boxes, stamp collecting. The building you are seeing at the corner is a senior home and people over 65 can only live there. Now I have to go to buy a cake and some present for my kids, but it's all a secret. After a few minutes you will see the celebration. Hope you will enjoy it. But let's see which cake should I buy. This is the variety in the cakes, but I am looking for the one which goes with my party. So let's see what they have. They have different pies, chocolate and vanilla cakes, carrot cakes, and many other flavors. Thanks God I found the one which I am looking for, but I will show you later during the party. Now I am going to buy some balloon for the decoration. Over here, many occasions are coming up, such as graduations and Father's Day. So many people are looking for flowers, balloons, and any types of party supply. Now it's time to reveal the reason of having a mini celebration. Actually, I held this celebration for my kids. Alhamdulillah, they have completed their academic year. They all have done a good job and they also got very good grades. I'm really happy to share this experience. As you know, this year was a very difficult year for all of us with lots of ups and downs, but still, they have done a good job. So I'm very glad as well as very happy to give them a surprise party because they really deserve it. I bought a cake, some present for them. These are the live moment which I am showing you. I don't want you to miss any of it. We are getting ready in front of camera. We were laughing and enjoying the time. Now we are going to cut the cake together. Now it's a cake cutting ceremony. Kiddos, let's get started. The main reason for this celebration is to keep all the things as a memory because when they grow up, it will be a kind of memory for all of us, which can be cherished by them in their later life. And also, it will be a memory for me as well because I can look into them when they are getting older. So, this is the main reason I wanted all of them together. Though it was a small party, but it meant a lot to me. Small things give more happiness. This party might be small, but it has got lots of meaning in it. As I told you, I was looking for a cake which goes well with my theme, so I got this cake for it. For me, it was like they have just started their schooling, but now they have gone to their next level classes, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. And I'm so happy. I'm really loving my motherhood days, really interacting while seeing them grow up. This year was fastest year for me because they were completely with me the whole year. I still remember sitting with them, watching them do their homeworks, completing them on time, going to their school, bringing their homeworks. All this was really a good and an everlasting memory for me. Now it's time to give them the present. Hope they will like it. Kim is handing me the presents and I shall distribute them.
I think gifts are a great way to pass them out. Let's see who gets their present first. Oh, Chani gets a very cute purple dress with purple shoes to go matching with them. She is thanking our mother. Time for, oh, that's Ibrahim's present. Looks like Ibrahim also got a candy box with his. Mom is deciding who goes next. That's Bacha's present. I really like the wrapping paper for that. And last but not least, my present. Ooh, I even got a cool puzzle to go with it. I am super excited to see what's inside my present. So is Bacha. Looks like he got a huge box. He's trying to open his. I'm observing my puzzle at the moment. And I'm about to open up my gift. Now I shall open up my gift. Again, I really loved that wrapping paper. Great job by my mom deciding which one she should get. Ibrahim's also having trouble opening his, but he's showing off his. He also got some chocolates to go with this. My mom is helping Bacha open his. Very pretty shoes for Chani. Look, let's see what Bacha got. Oh, that's a very good shirt. Bacha got a pink shirt and also another shirt. Bacha, what are you about to pull out? A pair of jeans? Bacha got a whole outfit. Ibrahim showing off his candy box. And Bacha got Play-Doh. He and Chani can play with that. Chani looks very pretty in her matching dress and shoes. Trying to be straight. I like the shoes and how they have all those emojis on them. All the cool types of sticker icons. Ibrahim also changed into his. I changed into mine. Super happy about it. Thumbs up. And now I'm about to set up Bacha's Play-Doh. Bacha got a huge mixer thing to go with his Play-Doh. They're playing together. Chani and Bacha are best friends. They do everything together. After the party, Bacha and Chani were in their night suits trying to catch all the balloons to see who would get all of them. They were having a sort of a small competition. My mom made some very good rice and the cake was also good. She also made one more thing that we all love. Chicken! This is chicken tikka. Thank you to my mom for hosting this party, and you guys, please be sure to like and subscribe, share this video with all your family and friends, and turn on post notifications.